DBC Diaries, episode 16. In this episode, you're going to see returning patient Timothy. Timothy first started coming to us all the way back in 2018. He's been with us that long, comes every few years for different medications such as human growth hormone. And in 2021, he came and he did his knee and his wrist with the stem cells and got some growth hormone. And he's been doing so well that he actually hasn't had to come back since, at least not for stem cells, just for growth hormone. So he's here again, decided to do an IV this time just for general health, feeling better. And he's going to share his story about the success he's had here and why he keeps coming back. So stay tuned, follow this. This is Dream Body Clinic, DBC Diaries.
El día de hoy vamos a recibir al paciente Timothy. Vamos al aeropuerto por él, ya que lo vamos a estar acompañando durante todo su tratamiento.
DBC Diaries Day 1. Today begins Timothy's regenerative journey with Dream Body Clinic. Today he will arrive, the driver will meet him inside the airport, take him to get his taxi to his hotel, and also give him his itinerary, which he's already been emailed previously, but this way he has a hard copy on hand to make sure everything goes as scheduled and on time. DBC Diaries Day 2. So Timothy was picked up at his hotel and brought to the clinic today, where he actually gets to see our new facility for the first time. He's been with us for so long, he's seen just about every office we've had over the years, and now he gets to be here at our new facility, our own hospital, where we can help lots and lots of people. So we start with vital signs, then we start with blood work, then we go upstairs to take care of payment, and our team then, later that day, will get started with the cultivation, taking the cells out for treatment tomorrow.
Fantastic facility. Congrats, everybody. Bye-bye.
DBC Diaries Day 3. So today is treatment day. Timothy's coming in. He's going to just get vitals checked real quick and then sit down with our doctor to go through his blood work. Our doc goes through line by line, everything on the blood work, so he knows exactly what's going on. Since he's getting human growth hormone, we do check a few extra markers such as IGF-1 so that he knows where his levels are, and that always helps him in the future so he can compare like a baseline like this to where the growth hormone is taking him. After this, the doc will go through everything, then get him to the treatment room and start treatment, and we'll go from there.
Ahora vamos a pasar a aplicar 300 millones de células intravenosas. Este tratamiento, como bien sabemos, tiene diferentes propiedades regenerativas, reparadoras e inmunomoduladoras. Normalmente cada paciente responde de distinta forma en cuanto a los tiempos de evolución. Esto también se puede deber a la condición que tiene el paciente y por cuánto tiempo la ha venido presentando. Normalmente, para ver el pico de los resultados, tenemos que esperar entre 3 y 6 meses. Recuerdo de nuevo, cada paciente responde de diferente forma.
Ahora nos encontramos en el cuarto de IV, donde el paciente Timothy recibirá 300 millones de células MAD. Primero aplicamos DMCO y melatonina en una sola jeringa. Posteriormente, aplicamos los 300 millones de células madres directamente en la solución. Dejamos pasar un periodo de 40 minutos y cambiamos esa solución por una solución que contiene vitamina C y NAD+.
All right, hi, this is Josh, Dream Body Clinic. I'm here with returning patient Tim. How are you doing, Tim?
Fantastic, Josh. Good to be back.
Great. It's been a while since you've been back here. I think when we did your last treatments was 2021.
Right.
We did your knees and your wrist.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
How are you doing? It's been a while.
You know, different experiences with both. You might recall, and when you were at the other facility, I could hardly walk across the street to your prior location with problems with both knees. And I think
we had originally set up to do both, and I can't remember why. It might have been to your suggestion. We did one knee and not the other.
Oh, yes, that's right.
And, my recollection, Josh, is it was probably a week or two of inflammation that made it worse. But we injected the left knee, not the right knee. And about 9 months ago, I had a partial knee replacement on the right knee, the one that we didn't treat. And the left knee, look, I can feel it, but I have nothing scheduled, and so far so good. So that I deem that as successful.
For sure.
The wrist was, I was about 2 months away from getting a wrist replacement, which they don't occur a lot. But I have had a torn PFCC and what they call slack wrist, where my carpal bones were collapsing, and I still have some discomfort, but I give it a 95% recovery.
That's amazing.
And my surgeon, who was looking forward to doing a wrist replacement, is off the charts. I can't understand what happened. So my wrist is fantastic. And so based upon that experience, now we're doing IV I have osteoarthritis pretty much everywhere. Not terrible, but it ain't good.
Yeah.
But it was such a positive experience and such a great overall quality experience with DBC. I had to come back for more. So here
Awesome. No, thanks. I mean, you were here. We were at the real small clinic, everything, and now we got our own hospital and just helping more people. It's been great.
Look, I mean, seriously, I'm not just saying this. I'm a pretty healthy guy, but I've had a very active guy who was a rock climber, and I've broken everything in my body. My clinical experience with DBC is the best I've ever had. I've had both hips replaced, one knee. I've had lots of surgeries. I severed my medial nerve. I don't have a lot of feeling in my left arm, so I've been through the healthcare system a number of times. This is the most professional and consumer-oriented clinical experience of my life.
Oh, thank you.
So touche. Great team. Everybody in the organization is, from the guys that pick me up and deliver me back, to the receptionist, to the nurse, to the administrators. It's a great experience.
Well, thank you.
You have me for life.
Thanks.
I hope it's a long one.
Yeah, let's keep this the IV. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, man.
Keep you around for a long time, and it's everybody here cares. They want to see everybody have a great experience, have great outcomes, and that's always been the goal. I saw with my dad had Lou Gehrig's disease, and you see these doctors, and you get 5 minutes of their time, and they're trying to kick you out.
That's my experience.
And
I
hate that, and that was one of the goals of doing this, was to make sure we're never going to be the biggest stem cell clinic in the world, and we don't want to be. We're boutique. We want to make sure you come, you get the attention you deserve, and get taken care of. So that's always been the goal, and thank you for noticing, because
makes a difference.
It's
really noticeable. Quality people, good people, smart people, engaged, passionate about the patients, and I just can't say enough good things about it. And it's a reflection of you. So
well, thank you.
Great admiration for what you've done. I've built 5 or 6 businesses. It's not easy.
No.
As we were just talking, it's a 10-year overnight success. So touche.
Well, thanks so much, Tim. If you at home would like to get more information about stem cells or growth hormone or testosterone, any of the different treatments we do, then get a hold of us at www.dreambody.clinic. You can call us toll free at 833-445-9089. And we do have growth hormone back, which you came to get some more of that too, which you've done before. And we were out for a while, but growth is back and no problems. People are going back with it, all good and legal. And it's a lot of good anti-aging benefits there too.
Anyone who's got any hesitations, don't. It's easy. Pick you up at the airport, take you to the hotel, take you from the hotel here. It's concierge service, top tier, great experience. So anybody thinking about it, don't hesitate. Come on down, to Puerto Vallarta, beautiful place, great people, great care. It'll change your life.
Oh, man. Thanks so much. Well, this is Tim. I'm Josh, and happy to help.
Okay, so let me show you.
Great.
Today we have 3 vials, 100 million in each one. So the stem cells are cold,
See.
and you can see like the float is inside. So you can see all the colonies like the stem cells made inside the vials.
Do they cluster together?
Yeah.
And what's the solution they're suspended in? Saline?
Saline
Yeah.
solution.
DBC Diaries Day 4. This is departure day. Timothy was just in for a quick 4-day protocol, and he's done. So he got his stem cells, he got his human growth hormone, he's ready to go home, he's got all the legal documentation to go back home with no issues, and good to go. So he's done this many times, pretty easy for him, but we understand if this is your first time getting medications with us, just know it is legal to seek medical treatment abroad and return home with the medication. We provide all the documentation, copy of the law, blood work, everything you need to go back home legally, just like Timothy will do now. He's going to keep us updated with results. And if you want to learn more about stem cells here at Dream Body Clinic or human growth hormone or any of our other medications for the Fly and Buy program, just check out our website. It's www.dreambody.clinic. You can scroll down on the homepage. All the treatments and medications are listed. You can click on the links. Information and prices are there. And you can call us anytime, toll free at 833-445-9089. I'm Josh. Happy to help.